Hey guys, in today's video, I have the Truewants Mystery Bag Volume 3. Ooh, I can't wait to see what kind of things they put in this bag. If you're curious to see what I got in this bag, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you Volume 3 of the Truewants Knitted Bag. Guys, I liked Volume 1, I loved Volume 2, and I'm so excited for Volume 3. I have not watched anyone else's videos. I do not know what is in this bag at all, so you guys are going to find out with me right now. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Now I did slice it open so that it would make things easier, but I haven't peeked inside. I have no idea what's in here. Let's open it up. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it out here. And she always has it tissue wrapped, papered. Yeah, sure. Here you go, with a nice little thank you heart on the front there. Can you see that? So super cute. Let's dig right in. Ooh, ooh. Very exciting. This is so cool. What is it though? Like, do I have, oh my gosh, does it like, look, what do you do? Like, do I do like this? Like a hat? Check that out. Oh my God, I love it though. Honestly, is that what it is? Because it doesn't really, not really sure. See how it has like a backing here? I'm not really sure what this is. Now I kind of wish I would have watched some of the spoilers. But to me, it looks like something you would do like this, but I'm not really sure what you do with it. But I love it. Here it is. It is so super cool. 1000% my style. I'm super excited about it. Yay! I just don't know what it is. I don't know if anything will tell me what it is. I'll probably have to watch her videos about this. But to me, it looks like some sort of accessory. I'm just really not sure because of the way the backing is, what kind of accessory it would be. So, yay! I love it though. Like, I honestly would rock it like this all day and all night. Seriously. To the grocery store, walk down the street, whatever. Okay, so that is super cool. All right. Wow, this one is jam-packed, guys. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. We have this in here, and they always put their business cards in here, which any good business person would do. Oh my God, this feels like butter. Okay, so here's their business card, and you know what? I'm actually just going to pop it up on the screen for you guys so that you can see all their information. But their website is www.improvinglifestyles.com, so you can get the knitted bag there as well as a plethora of other things that they have for sale. So make sure that you check out their website. This, guys, feels like butter. Oh my gosh, this is a super great wallet. Look at this. Oh my gosh, guys, it seriously feels like butter. Butter. Oh my gosh. So we have a zipper here. Does it? Oh, yes. It's like a hidden compartment. Look at that, guys. It does unzip. See? It has like a hidden compartment. Pretty cool. Loving that. Yeah, plenty of room to store whatever it is you need to store. Look at all these little compartments, guys. Super great. Guys, this feels so super soft. I think this is like a brown color, I think. So it's like a deep brown color. It's definitely not black. I don't think, well, no, it's black. Yeah, it's black. I'm just saying. It's very nice though. Love the wallet. Super cute. Loving that. Yay! I'm really excited about the first thing though. That thing is so cool. I just wish I knew what it was. Okay, so, oh, it's a headband. Here we go. Here we go, kids. All right, all right. She always puts her other business card on here, and I'm pretty sure I have a photo of this one, so I'll just pop up on the screen for you guys right now so you can check it out. For Improving Lifestyles, Inc. It says accessorizing your style, affordable style. Yes, it is. Okay, guys, got it. Got it. If I would have watched her thing, I would have known what this was all about. Okay, so I was right. It is like a hair accessory, but you put it on. See, you have a headband here, or if you want, you can clip it in your hair with the clip. I'm sure that's how this works. So why don't we just give it a go here? That's exactly what this is, and this is so awesome. Honestly, this is the thing that I am super most excited about. I'm just saying. Okay, so you just slip it on, you know, however. Not really sure how I'd put this on my head, but you know, you got, oh yes, I mean, yes, ma'am, hello. Again, I would wear this like, you know, down the street or, you know, for a walk around the park, whatever. So then I am guessing it obviously would slide onto this as well. So yep, slides right on there, guys. So you can clip it into your hair as well. Ba-bam! Ba-boom! This is the best thing ever, guys. Oh my God, I love it. Like, I absolutely love this. This is my favorite thing in the thing. Oh my God. I could just look at this for hours, but I'm just going to bore you guys. That is awesome. I'm so super stoked about that. I mean, that is so incredibly awesome. I absolutely love that. Love it. Okay, so that's the best thing in the bag for me. Ooh, look at this. I love a good piece of statement jewelry. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I don't even really need to do that. Look at this. Wow. This is great. I love a great statement piece of jewelry. Guys, it says it's lead and nickel free. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yes. Guys, this was like built for me. Who knew she had such cool stuff? I mean, it's really cool. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. Guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so she like really knocked it out of the park this time. I said she did last time. Okay, this one is like, you know, in another planet. This is awesome. Okay, oh my gosh. Like I could stop there. But wait, there's more. Ah, this is such a great bag. Okay, so this is a hair drying cap. Yes! Okay, guys, I was so jealous. Look at this. Oh my God, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at this. Oh my God, and it feels so soft. Guys, I wanted one of these so bad. I didn't buy myself one, and I had contemplated it. It's been in my Amazon cart like 30 times or something like that. Probably not this nice, though. This is a really nice one. So I'm so super stoked. You have no idea. I always let my hair air dry. So now I can put it in this cap, but I can't leave that stupid towel on my head. I mean, it just doesn't stay on anyways. So this is great. I get to look cute while I'm walking around drying my hair in my house. Awesome! Guys! Ah! This was so great. Yes. Truewants knocked it out of the park this time. She has her own channel. I didn't even mention that. I was so excited to open up this bag. So she does have her own channel. It's called Truewants. Make sure that you check out her channel. She's very knowledgeable. She knows a lot about beauty products and things like that. I unbox some on my channel, but I have no idea what I'm talking about. So, I mean, if you're just looking to see what you get in the bag, you can watch me. But if you want to also know about the products and learn about the products, you definitely should check out her channel. She's very knowledgeable. And then she has these amazing bags. Guys, wow. Okay, wow. Okay, so we got the little cap, which I'm super stoked about. You have no idea. I'm so excited. Everything in this bag is a home run for me. Home run! Okay, it's like she catered the bag for me. But anyways, we have this awesome cap, and then we got this statement piece of jewelry, which is so super stellar. And then we have the hair accessory. Again, it goes with, I don't know what I did with the little things, but you know, it has the little headband thing and the little clip. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then the wallet, 4 items. And then we got this awesome wallet. Guys, wow. I'm so excited. Like, I'm super stoked. This bag is awesome. I love that hair accessory. Oh my gosh, I'm not even kidding, guys. I'm totally going to wear that all the time. You're definitely going to see it on the channel very soon. I absolutely love it. And by the way, my shirt says I can get you on the naughty list. Just to finish it out. So you see that? I can get you on the naughty list. Just, you know, give me a call. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Truewants' channel, and I'll have everything linked below, improvinglifestyles.com, if you're interested in getting this bag. And she has 2 other volumes. I'm not sure if they're sold out yet. Don't quote me that the other 2 volumes are available, but this one should still be available, I'm guessing. So make sure you jump over to the Truewants website and check out their needed bags, as well as all the other items that they have for sale. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambassador's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, oh my gosh, why do I have to draw a blank? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. I did cut it open, but I didn't open it. Does that make sense? Does it make sense? Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so that didn't work. Oh, that's nice.